Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your NFL Plus subscription. This is helpful if you do not want to be charged again and just want to stop your plan in a simple way. The steps may be a little different here depending on where you signed up. So first, you need to check if your subscription was made through Google Play or on the NFL website. If you subscribe through Google Play, open the Play Store on your device and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. And after that, go to Payments and Subscription. Then tap Subscriptions. Find your NFL Plus subscription, tap on it, and then choose Cancel Subscription, and then follow the steps on your screen to finish. If you signed up on the NFL website, go to NFL.com and sign into your account. Open your account page, find your subscription, and click Manage. Then tap Cancel. Choose your reason and confirm it. So once it's done, your subscription will be canceled and you can return to your account page. Also, if there's still time left in your billing cycle, you can keep using NFL Plus until the end of the current billing period. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.